Do you want to prance around the house like you pay rent? Now look where this is gonna get you. Get him, Billy. Get him, Billy boy. Get him, Billy. Bill Frogsby, do your job. He is jumping high. Bill Frogsby, you are not doing your job right.
If he come all the way up here, I'm going to smack him.
No, get your hand away from the tank.
Turn around, Bill Frogsby. Oh. If you try.
Got a scam call.
Yeah.
Good Billy boy. Good boy.
What the heck?
Eat him up.
Eat him up.
Show him that you're not playing.
That's what you get. You want to prance around our house?
Like, you can't eat him.
Like
I
it's a.
can hear him in his belly.
He can't be making noise in the belly.
Listen. You didn't hear him squeaking?
Shh. You want to be walking around this house like it's a Las Vegas hotel? This is where this gets you.